For close round 41, make a slip stitch, top of first single crochet and another slip stitch, and cut your yarn and finish this round like this. Round 42, just turn back your work into wrong side and find the double crochet in the center in round 40. Here, this double crochet. For start this round, make a slip knot and insert your thread around the double crochet of the center and make a chain. Now we want to make single crochet around each of this double crochet. Front post single crochet around the center one. Now 7 front post single crochet around this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7. Here we don't crochet this cluster, skip the cluster, and we go for next 7 double crochet. We make front post single crochet around each of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we are here in the center, a front post single crochet, 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, another front post single crochet around the same. Now we want to make front post single crochet around each of these 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Skip the cluster, we don't crochet this, and we go for next 7 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Here around the center we make front post single crochet, 3 chain, another front post single crochet. So front post single crochet, 1, 2, 3 and another front post single crochet here, and here to here front post single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, like this, and we continue this pattern until we finish this round, and I come back here to show you how to close this round. For close round 42, we make a single crochet around this double crochet in the center, and 3 chain, 1, 2, 3. Now slip stitch top of first single crochet, like this, round 43, turn back your work, into right side. So round 43, 3 chain, count as first double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and make 6 more double crochet into 3 chain space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, totally 7 double crochet here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 5 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now a front post double crochet around this cluster, like this, 5 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 7 double crochet into next 3 chain space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now 5 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the front post double crochet around next cluster, and we continue this pattern until we finish this round, and I come back here to show you how to close this round.